Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Hargreaves Lansdown Active Savings Review My Usage Experience. Hargreaves Lansdown Active Savings Review My Usage Experience offers a way to analyze and compare different savings accounts offered through Hargreaves Lansdown. It's aimed at existing Hargreaves Lansdown customers who want to optimize their savings strategy and potentially find better interest rates. Key features likely include account aggregation, interest rate comparisons, and potentially some tools to help you switch accounts. Their website provides details on the specific features included. Their website highlights the potential to save money by finding the most suitable savings account. It emphasizes ease of use for managing your savings within their platform. They boast a transparent approach, although specific details on pricing aren't overtly mentioned on the website, and it's integrated with their existing investment platform. Availability is limited to existing Hargreaves Lansdown customers. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Hargreaves Lansdown Active Savings Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. After logging into my Hargreaves Lansdown account, I easily found the Active Savings Review section. The interface was clean and intuitive. I quickly understood how to filter accounts by interest rate, maturity, and minimum balance. I particularly appreciated the clear visualization of how my current savings performed against other available options. The speed was excellent, the comparisons loaded almost instantaneously. The quality of the results was very useful in identifying accounts with potentially better returns for my circumstances. I did have a question about a specific account's terms and conditions, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email. A standout feature for me was definitely the side-by-side comparison tool. One minor drawback was the lack of a downloadable report function. I had to manually jot down some key information. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the service. It helped me identify a savings account with a significantly higher interest rate than my current one, saving me a considerable amount of money in the long run. That's my overview of Hargreaves Lansdown Active Savings Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.